Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I'll show you how to use Huobi to buy your favorite cryptos like Dogecoin or Bitcoin or whichever coins that you think can make you quite big. I will tell you how to sign up, then buy cryptos via peer-to-peer. Then, if you have paper hands, I will also tell you how to sell your cryptos and convert it back to money. Finally, I will also give you some tips and tricks on using Huobi. We have a lot to talk about, so let's start right now. If you don't have a Huobi account yet, you will need to sign up first. You can just use your friend's referral link to sign up, otherwise you can just use mine down below. Once you are signed up, you will need to do some verification, otherwise you can't really use peer-to-peer. To do verification, at the top right side, mouse over your profile, click identification, then just quickly verify yourself. You should be fully verified within a few minutes. Such fast? Much well. Okay, once your account is approved, you are ready to become a Wall Street Bets Ape King. Just kidding, invest responsibly. In Huobi's website, at the top, click Buy Crypto, then click P2P Market. Just in case you don't know what's P2P, it is peer-to-peer, where you buy and sell cryptos with another person directly. Think of it like carousel, where you buy and sell stuff with another person. Here, you will see P2P only has 8 cryptos. Then, you'll be like, that's my Dogecoin, I want to Huobi big. No Dogecoin? No what? Okay, later I will show you how to convert your cryptos into that. For now, you will need to convert your HUD into one of these cryptos first. Pro tip, if you want to convert your cryptos later, USDT is a better choice because it has more sellers. If you check BTC or Huobi token, there's only like less than 5 people selling. Because of that, there's not much competition, so the exchange rate will be a little bad. So I'll choose USDT. The rates here are sorted from the best rate to the worst rate. The yellow icon here means that these guys are verified merchants. You can see that this guy has completed 100% of the orders. If you click in, you will see that he has completed over 2,000 trades. When choosing, try to choose merchants that have very high completion rate and has completed a lot of trades, so that you can be sure they are very likely a real seller and not some Nigerian prince scammer. Here, you can see that he is willing to change $10,000 to $35,000 per transaction. For payment methods, some people accept bank card, some accept Google Pay and PayNow. Okay, since I only want to transfer $100, I will buy from this guy, Crypto Prince. If I transfer 100 HUD, I will receive around 73 USDT. Click confirm, then he tells me to WhatsApp him my number. In WhatsApp, I just do some verification, then PayNow him $100. Once it's done, click on transfer next. Then click I have paid. If everything is alright, he will release the payment within 5 minutes. And it will change to order completed. Wow, hang the money arrived. To double check, at the top, mouse over balances, click access overview. Here, you can see that under fiat, I have 73 USDT. Next, I will show you how to convert USDT into the crypto that you want. In the website, at the top, click on buy crypto, then click convert. USDT is at the bottom, so just exchange it to the top. Then just choose whichever crypto that you want to buy. Choose the amount, then click convert now. If everything is alright, just click confirm, then tada! It is done. So simple. Okay, finally, I will show you how to become a paper handler and sell all your cryptos. At the top, click buy crypto, then click P2P market. Click sell. I'll be using USDT for selling. Same thing, look for a seller which has a very high completion rate. I'll be choosing this guy because I only have around 100 USDT. Click sell USDT. Here says I need to add one payment method before selling. So click on enable now. Click add a new payment method. I will just add PayNow. Go back to buy crypto again, click sell. Find your guy, then click sell USDT. Choose the amount that you want to sell, enter the trading password, then confirm. Okay, now you just need to wait for the other person to transfer the money. So just pray that he will give you the money. Alright, Huobi will tell you that the other person has transferred the money. But don't just click confirm and release. Go and double check your bank account that you really received the money. I've received this email saying that this guy has banked into my account. All is good. So let's not send him the crypto. I'll just take the money and run. Just kidding, we don't do that here. Later tonight the police come and catch me. Alright, click confirm and release. Enter your trading password, tick to confirm, then confirm and release. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to buy and sell your cryptos with P2P. Simple, right? Now, let me share some tips and tricks on using Huobi. First, enable 2FA. To avoid getting hacked, enable 2FA on your Huobi account. To do that, at the top, mouse over profile, click account and security, enable all the 2FAs here. Email, phone number, Google Authenticator. The more 2FA you can enable, the more secure your account will be. Second, transfer your crypto elsewhere. If you are planning to just buy and hold, don't just leave your cryptos in Huobi. because the exchange might get hacked and you will lose everything. If you are scared that your cryptos will get stolen, transfer them to a cold wallet like Ledger. That way, your cryptos are safe and nobody can steal them. So that was some tips and tricks on using Huobi. Hopefully, this video helps you out. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.